Okay, the first magic trick we're going to talk about today is the Boomerang Aces. The Boomerang Aces was so much fun during the WoW Magic Workshop. Now, to get this trick set up, like we talked about in the workshop, what you need is 8 playing cards. Actually, you need a whole deck of playing cards, but for this you need 8 playing cards. You need a regular deck of playing cards. You also need the 4 aces. Really, you can do this with any 4 cards that you like as long as they match. But for this particular story, we use the 4 aces. Those 4 aces are prepared simply by holding them like this. And before you show the trick, you take 4 other cards, 4 random cards like this. You square those 4 random cards up, you place those behind the aces like this. Let me turn these around so you can see them. So it's just like that. Now from the front, nobody can see those 4 other cards. All they see are the 4 aces. And because all they see is the 4 aces, they think those are the only 4 cards, and it makes the magic trick all the more amazing. So you show everybody the 4 cards. You square those cards up like this, so now they're all in a pile. You place them on top of the deck of cards, and one by one, you take the random cards that don't matter and you place them inside the deck of cards somewhere. And of course, we talked about making it fun for others and making sure that you tell a story and you ask other people who are watching your magic what they want to see, where they want to see those cards go to. So once you've got those 4 cards inside the deck of cards, they think it's the aces. You snap your fingers and you show that one by one, those Boomerang Aces came back right to the top of the deck. Now when I did it, I kept showing you those 4 random cards, but you don't want to do that. You simply want to take each card off and place it back in the deck like that. Now I'm going to show you the whole trick again, very close to the table. Okay, I'm going to do the Boomerang Aces right here on the table. So you start off with your 4 aces and your 4 regular cards. You take your 4 regular cards, square them up, take your 4 aces, spread them out like this, and then you take your 4 regular cards, the ones that don't matter, and you place those right behind those 4 aces. So when you hold the aces up like this, okay, so now we're going to do the Boomerang Aces one more time. So you've got your 4 aces like this, so they're all spread out. You've got 4 regular cards like this. You take those 4 regular cards, you square them up, you place them behind the 4 aces. So it looks like this from your point of view. But you never show the audience that. You always let them see this, just those 4 aces. You square them up like this, place them on top of the deck of cards, and one by one you take those 4 cards, those regular cards that don't matter, you place those inside the deck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now your 4 aces are on top. Snap your fingers, show you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. That's the 4 aces trick. That is awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed the Boomerang Aces. It's so much fun. Make sure you practice, make sure you work on your story, go out and show people some fun magic, and remember to make sure that it's fun.